Hey y'all, welcome back for another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making some incredible, juicy seafood lasagna. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, we're going to go ahead and make our mix that we are going to be spreading out for a layer on our lasagna. So I have some softened cream cheese, some steamed spinach, and some Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add a little bit of sour cream for a light taste. After that, you're going to just mash it up, mix it up very, very well until everything is fully incorporated. Just like so. Now we're going to put that to the side. I have some Langostino. They're very similar to lobster and prawns, but they're definitely not related. So with this, I'm just going to add a little bit of Old Bay. You can use shrimp or whatever seafood you'd like. Just make sure it's fully cooked before adding it to your lasagna. And we're going to give that a quick toss. Then we're going to set that to the side. For our sauce, now I'm going to pause and let you guys know I created a roux before doing this. I just used it a little bit of butter and flour. I mixed it and whisked, and then I went ahead and added that to my sauce that I'm creating right now. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out, you guys. Okay, so soon I will be having a cookbook launching before holidays, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in having all of my recipes in one place. My heat is on a medium-low heat. You don't want to scorch your sauce. You just want it to heat up to help melt that cheese and incorporate everything together. A light boil. You want to go ahead and turn your sauce off, set it to the side so it can thicken up. And if you need to add in a little seafood broth, you can to help loosen the sauce if it's a little too thick for your liking. So here, now, I would suggest heating up your sauce so it's easier to mix around, but you still want it a little thick. You don't want it too runny, you know. So I'm just going to start layering my pasta. I will be using lump crab meat. You can use any type of seafood. Like I said, if you like the blue crab meat, it's cheaper. You can get that. Just know the taste is a little bit more strong, but it's still super good. Also, you can, like I said, use shrimp. Just use the smaller shrimp, or if you use colossal, make sure you chop it up very well. And you can use salmon if you want to. Salmon bites, that might be super good, you know. But like I said, use anything you want. You can even add cooked chicken if you want. It's up to you. So I'm going to head and spread my seafood out. So a layer, I'm just adding some Parmesan cheese. You can add your favorite cheese. I'm also going to be adding some mozzarella cheese for that perfect cheese pull. You just want a couple pieces. So as you can see, my sauce is a little bit more loose. I heated it up, of course, but that's what you want. That's going to give you that creamy goodness. So my oven is heated on 375. So after this, once I finish layering, I am going to cover it with foil, and we're going to bake it for about 30 minutes, like I said, on 375. And then we're going to uncover it, bake it again for about 10 minutes. You can leave it in longer if you want your top a little bit more crispy, but I like it like this, a little, you know, cheese pull, goodness gracious. Okay, y'all, so we still layering. It's a process, but trust me, it's worth it, y'all. It's worth it. Okay, finally done. Now, last but not least, I'm going to add in some fresh chopped parsley. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So now we're going to go ahead and put it in for 10-15 more minutes, and look, perfect, you guys. If you decide to make this, you already know, tag me on Chaz's Cuisines on your Instagram story.